The problem is just about finding the other diagonal of the square. If two vertices minus 1 comma 1 and 5 comma 3 are given, I have a square, one vertex is minus 1 comma 1 and the other vertex is 5 comma 3, and I need to find the equation of the other diagonal, right? The diagonal which is not passing through these 2 points I need to identify. See, in a square what will happen? For a square, the diagonals are perpendicular. That's what you need to know. For a square, if this is the one diagonal and this is the other diagonal, those two diagonals are perpendicular. Okay. See, given these 2 points as AB actually, but actually for a square, if this is AB, you may take these two or some other points like PQ. AB is one diagonal, PQ is other diagonal. A and B are given, but they are asking us to find the equation of PQ. So to find this line, equation of PQ, what we need? We need both slope and the point, okay? Right. See, since the diagonals are perpendicular, slope of PQ is equals to minus 1 by slope of AB. You need to know that the diagonals are perpendicular in a square. With that idea, it is very easy. Slope of PQ is equals to minus 1 by slope of AB. That is equals to minus 1 by, what is the slope of AB? I have 2 points A and B. The slope is what? Y2 minus Y1, 3 minus 1 divided by x2 minus x1. 5 minus of minus 1 is 6. Yeah, now simplify it. 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 by 6, 2 by 6 is 1 by 3, and simplify yesterday, your answer is minus 3 here. The slope is minus 3. Right? But what we need actually? Equation. For that equation, see, identify the midpoint of the diagonals, intersection point of the diagonals. See, for the square, for all the parallelograms, diagonals bisect each other. This intersection point is the midpoint of these two actually. If you say the point has some O, then O is equals to midpoint of AB. You can find it like minus 1 plus 5 by 2, right? Comma 1 plus 3 by 2, and on solving it, 5 minus 1 is 4 by 2 is 2, and again 4 by 2 is 2. The point is 2 comma 2, and at the end, point on the required diagonal PQ is 2 comma 2. Slope of the required diagonal is minus 3. Point and slope you have, so you can find the equation by this. Y minus 2 is equals to minus 3 of x minus 2. Y minus 2 is equals to minus 3x plus 6. If you send everything aside, 3x plus y minus 8 is equals to 0, and that's your answer. Have a look at the problem. Actually, one diagonal. See, opposite vertices of a square are given like A comma B, and they are asking us to find the equation of the other diagonal PQ. See, to find the equation of PQ, I need a point and the slope. Slope of PQ can be calculated using this logic, that slope of PQ is equals to minus 1 by slope of AB. This gives us the slope of PQ. And this idea, diagonals bisect each other, midpoint of AB lies on PQ, gives us a point. After having point and slope, this is the way to find the equation of the diagonal PQ. Right?